Add row above. So now we have 3 rows. Add a column before. So now we have 2 columns. Now that's better, I guess. So if I put a text field in this one, there, and then we take title here, that could be interesting. Text field here. Okay, so let's say we have a few more rows above. So let's say this is file name. We put that on the first row, we have text field. Then we take the file name. There we go. And then we have the description. Have a text area. And we have up here. Let's remove that horizontal box, that horizontal box. Then we have text area that we could put inside of this. Copy that, put that there. This should be title. Nope. File name. First one should be file name. There we want that. Title. Description. And then we have time label. Let's put that there. And then we add increase row span. That's not what I wanted. Add row below. We put time down there. Not span. It's weird. And we have a box for that as well. So here we have a text area that's huge. Still very large text areas. Let's remove that one. Here we have the description. Here we have the tags. This is the label. Move that horizontal box. Label there. Still have this horizontal box. Remove all these. Now we are starting to get somewhere, even though it's still very weird. Why these are so huge, I don't know. But of course it's easily remedied. So here we have a few more rows for the time column. That's not what we want. So can we delete these unused ones? So there we go. Tags. Text area. Text area. Put that. No. There. Ooh. So now we have a text field. And we have a title. So those two are there. Okay. We have a very weird ordering here, but I think that we got all the components at least in the different areas correctly. So let's save that and see where this gives us. If this gives us anything good. Well, it's not totally bad. It's not the best, but it's at least more usable than the earlier build. Let's say that each of these should be 50 high. So this row, give it preferred height 50, main height 50, and this row, just to give it same dimensions at least, and let's say that these get a bit more, so 70. There we go. And the whole window should have a preferred height and width, so it will fit all the components. Could that make a difference, or will we still have there? I think that this main application has a width and height defined, which will not work for us. I'm wondering if we can just remove those and let the, yeah, then the file will dictate how things looks. That's not bad. And let's say YouTube uploader, share uploader. Much better. And let's continue here. I would like a button.
Give me a button. Where is my button? Give me a button. Button.
And put that. And this one should align to the right. Let's start with schedule upload. So that's the button name. Now to the actual alignment of stuff. Give me an alignment. Can't drag and drop it. Do I need a container for this? Might need a container. Just can I say pane and put the button in the pane. Put the button in the pane. Put the button in the pane. Nope. Do vertical box. Does that have an alignment in it at least? I can see. So. So let's see here. Align. Is it this that has alignments? Where did I see alignments? Okay, these. Come on. I'm pretty sure that I saw alignments before. Okay, so here we can wrap things in things. That's a good thing to note. Translate X. Oh, this is stupid. Who would want to do that? Don't want to make something. Don't want to do with absolute alignment. Could flow pane help me out? Every freaking controller has the same things. What? Or is properties? Oh my god! Oh my god! Left center, right center. There we go. thank you. I'll be here all day. Oh my god. Center right. Nope. Is system 11 points something that we want to change perhaps? Do we have anything more suitable for this? Do we have any nice fonts here? Yeah, I usually use this font. I think it's quite nice. Let's give it a bit more to it, but can't align this text. Style class. Style sheets. Add style sheets. Well, could we copy styles? Nope. That's a bit sad. We need to do this font change for a while. Here we go. Not the best way to work with these, but it now that's bad user experience. Close the window when you tab. That's really bad user experience. There we go. Need some more padding on this window, I guess. This looks stupid. So, how do I get an actual window? layout. Let's say that we want, come on, so let's say we want 400, preferred height 400, there we go, and then we want 10 pixel padding top, 10 pixel padding bottom, and 10 to each side. Could that be nice? Save it, run it. This shouldn't be centered. That's also stupid. I guess that I chose it, but it's just bad. Is this the line? Is this the real life? Or is this sanity? Only my last reality. Open your eyes, up in the sky and see. I am cool down, and easy goes, little high, little low. Doesn't really matter to me, to me, to me. Label time. Go. Label file name. Label title. And text description. And text tags. More action. Load video. Schedule. Upload video. We go. And I forgot one very important part of this. Do I want that to be move that one, put this in, then we go to properties again and alignment center right. Oh, why didn't that work? It seems that we wanted that box for some odd reason. See, and in the controller we want to create label file name, label title, time, public text area text description tags, and we hello world into two of the feeds just to check out that that works. We'll upload our video. Text field. So these aren't actually labels. Hey! We put some text in those fields. If those aren't labels, you might want to change the prefix for them so we know that those are text fields instead. It's personal preference. You can use whatever you like, but I like to have prefix for my graphical elements labels, so I know what kind of object I'm working with inside the